ألف لام را تلك آيات الكتاب المبين إنا أنزلناه قرآنا عربيا لعلكم تعقلون.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the new episode of the Madinah Arabic short tutorial series for Book 1. We will begin Lesson 15 today, inshallah. In this lesson, we will start using a couple of more ضمائر for second person plurals. So we will take the opportunity to review our ضمائر tables first as usual. This is a table for ضمير منفصل, detached pronouns, in the usual order from third, second, and first person from right to left, and from مذكر to مؤنث from top to bottom. Let's read them together a couple of times. هو, هما, هم, هي, هما, هن. أنت, أنتما, أنتم. أنت, أنتما, أنتن. أنا, نحن. هو, هما, هم. هي, هما, هن. أنت, أنتما, أنتم. أنت, أنتما, أنتن. أنا, نحن. In this lesson, we'll start using the ضمير أنتن, you for جمع المؤنث, the feminine plural. So أنتِ is you for مؤنث مفرد or feminine singular, and أنتن is you for مؤنث جمع, feminine plural. Let's now review the table for ضمير متصل, attached ضمير coming with the اسم بيت. Let's read them together. بيته, بيتهما, بيتهم. بيتها, بيتهما, بيتهن. بيتك, بيتكما, بيتكم. بيتك, بيتكما, بيتكن. بيتي, بيتنا. One more time. بيته, بيتهما, بيتهم. بيتها, بيتهما, بيتهن. بيتك, بيتكما, بيتكم. بيتك, بيتكما, بيتكن. بيتي, بيتنا. From now on, we will start using the ضمير متصل كُنّ, as in بيتكن, your house for جمع المؤنث. So بيتك was your house for مؤنث مفرد, feminine singular, and بيتكن is your house for مؤنث and جمع. Let's now practice what we just learned by going through a few exercises in this lesson. We will start with exercise 2 on page 88. We need to convert the questions that are directed to brothers to suitable forms to ask sisters instead. We will do that by changing the ضمير منفصل أنتم to أنتن, and مذكر اسم used in each sentence to the مؤنث gender. مثال, an example is given at the beginning. أأنتم طلاب? Are you students? We can use this question to ask a group of brothers. To ask a group of sisters the same question, we should say أأنتن طالبات? Are you students? So we changed أنتم to أنتن and converted the اسم طلاب to a مؤنث form, which is طالبات. Question 1. أأنتم مدرسون? Are you teachers? أأنتم مدرسون? How do we change this question so we can ask sisters instead? It should be أأنتن مدرسات. So أأنتم مدرسون became أأنتن مدرسات. Question 2. أأنتم أطباء? Are you doctors? This question is directed to brothers. Now the مؤنث plural form will be أأنتن طبيبات. أأنتن طبيبات. Are you doctors? Question 3. أأنتم إخوة حامد? Are you brothers of Hamid? Now how do we say, are you sisters of Hamid? It should be أأنتن أخوات حامد. Question 4. أأنتم مسلمون? Are you Muslims? أأنتم مسلمون? Again, we are asking brothers. And to ask sisters the same question, we should say أأنتن مسلمات. أأنتن مسلمات. Question 5. أأنتم أعمام محمود? Are you the uncles of Mahmud? Now we should change the word uncles to aunts here. Do you remember what aunts is in Arabic? An aunt is ammatun. Its plural is ammatun, right? So it is a sound plural. The new question then should be أأنتن عمات محمود؟ أأنتن عمات محمود? Question 6. أأنتم أبناء المدير? Are you the sons of the principal? Now we should say, are you the daughters of the principal? How do we ask it in Arabic? أأنتن بنات المدير? Are you the daughters of the principal? أأنتن بنات المدير? And the final question. أأنتم آباء الطلاب? Are you the fathers of the students? أأنتم آباء الطلاب? The new question for sisters should be أأنتن أمهات الطلاب? Are you the mothers of the students? Very good. We'll mark this exercise done. Let's now do the next exercise on page 89. In this exercise, we are instructed to change the ضمير منفصل كم to مؤنث form كُنّا and convert the associated ism to a مؤنث gender as well. مثال is أين بيتكم يا إخوان? Where is your house, O brothers? The same question directed to a group of ladies is given in the next sentence. أين بيتكن يا أخوات? Where is your house, O sisters? So here, بيتكم was changed to بيتكن. And يا إخوان was replaced by يا أخوات. The first sentence is أين أخوكم يا إخوان? Where is your brother, O brothers? أين أخوكم يا إخوان? Now, how do we say, where is your brother, O sisters? It should be أين أخوكن يا أخوات? Sentence 2. أين مدرستكم يا إخوان? Where is your school, O brothers? Now we should say, where is your school, O sisters? It will be أين مدرستكن يا أخوات? Next. متى اختباركم يا إخوان? When is your test, O brothers? متى اختباركم يا إخوان? How do we ask a group of sisters the same question? متى اختباركن يا أخوات? When is your test, O sisters? متى اختباركن يا أخوات? Sentence 4. أهذا عمكم يا إخوان? Is this your uncle, O brothers? أهذا عمكم يا إخوان? What will be the question for the sisters? It should be أهذا عمكن يا أخوات? Is this your uncle, O sisters? Sentence 5. أبيتكم قريب يا إخوان? Is your house nearby, O brothers? What will be the question for sisters now? أبيتكن قريب يا أخوات? Is your house nearby, O sisters? And the final sentence. في أي شهر اختباركم يا إخوان? In which month is your test, O brothers? What will be the question for أخوات? في أي شهر اختباركن يا أخوات? In which month is your test, O sisters? Very good. We finished this exercise. We will move on to the next exercise at the bottom of page 89. This is also a quick but very useful exercise for us to practice our ضمير منفصل skills. We should fill in the blanks with one of the suitable detached ضمائر for second person. أنت, أنتم, أنتي, or أنتن. In the first question, we see the اسم مسلم given, which is مذكر and مفرد. Therefore, we should use أنت in the blank. أأنت مسلم? Are you a Muslim? Sentence 2 is ending with the اسم مريضة. So we are asking a مؤنث مفرد اسم. So we need to use the ضمير أنتِ and say أأنتِ مريضة? Are you sick? In sentence 3, we have طبيبات, female doctors. It is جمع المؤنث. What do you think? Should we use أنتم or أنتن? we need to use أنتن for جمع المؤنث, right? The question will be أأنتن طبيبات? Are you doctors? Sentence 4. تجار, traders. So we'll go ahead and use أنتم and say أأنتم تجار? Are you traders? أأنتم تجار? Sentence 5 is about بنت المدرس, the daughter of the teacher. How do we say, are you the daughters of the teacher? It should be أأنت بنت المدرس? Sentence 6. أخوات عباس means the sisters of Abbas. So we will use أنتن. The question will be أأنتن أخوات عباس? Are you the sisters of Abbas? أأنتن أخوات عباس? And finally we have طلاب. What should we use for this blank? We should use أنتم, right? أأنتم طلاب? Are you students? Very good. We'll mark this exercise complete as well. Let's take care of the next exercise on the next page. This is a very similar exercise to the one we just did, except this time we should use the attached second person ضمائر to fill in the blanks. We should either use ka, kum, ki, or kunna. In the first sentence, we are asking إخوان, brothers. Do we say أين بيتكم or أين بيتكن? It should be أين بيتكم يا إخوان? Where is your house, O brothers? Part 2. This question is directed to Hamid. So we say أهذا كتابك يا حامد? Is this your book, O Hamid? Part 3. We are talking to Layla, which is a mu'annath name. So we will use the ضمير متصل ki. The sentence is ساعتك جميلة يا ليلى. Your watch is beautiful, O Layla. Part 4 is directed to أخوات, sisters. So we will use كُنّا and say من أبوكن يا أخوات? Who's your father, O sisters? Part 5. I'm talking to أخي. What should I use for this blank? I should say ما اسمك يا أخي? What is your name, O my brother? In the next part, I'm asking أختي. For this question, I should use ki, right? ما اسمك يا أختي? What is your name, O my sister? Part 7 doesn't specify whom the question is directed to. So we can use any of the ضمائر. Let's say أأمكن في البيت, or to be complete, we can say أأمكن في البيت يا بنات? Is your mother at home, O girls? And in the last part, we are asking إخوان. So our question must be ما أسماؤكم يا إخوان? What are your names, O brothers? Very good. We are done with exercise 5. So we'll put a check mark next to it as well. I think this was good enough practice for today. Let's finish this episode here and come back to continue going over the remaining exercises of the lesson next time, inshallah. I will see you in the next episode. Assalamu alaikum.